You started with RPA. Maybe talk about a bit how you kind of went from RPA and kind of got to the point where unstructured became, center of the plate and intelligent process automation. How long did that take, and how did you get from sort of the initial sort of RPA use cases to the more sort of complex use cases?
So we started with RPA, and then we quickly realized a lot of the inputs to processes at Cushman, it's a real estate company. There's a lot of paper here. We quickly realized a lot of our inputs were documents, and all types of documents, right? They all differed, and even in a similar document type, it's differed, right? So we started, it was probably about 3 to 6 months down the path of, implementing RPA. We quickly realized in order to realize value in a lot of our processes, we need document understanding. So we really started exploring, different, technologies that could enable us. But for us, we realized what is truly structured is actually not really structured, right? So like you think about invoices and, people will say that's a structured document. It's actually it's semi-structured. I would actually say it's unstructured, right? Because you've got thousands of vendors that all format their invoices differently. They all have different types of words. They're all like using different formats. Also, by the way, like with the way technology is changing, their invoice formats are changing all the time, right? And their processes are changing, right? So our inputs, even from a vendor from a year ago, may look different today than they did yesterday.